Hello friends, Nihar from here, and today we are going to talk about life cycle manager. In the last video we talked about the volumes snapshot and what is the life cycle manager, how it will be taken, automate, snapshot, that will be talked in today video. So guys, again I am going to tell about, once you log in you can see the service on the left side, and once you click the service you can be seen here all service, and inside all the service here is the compute, and inside the compute you can see EC2. Just click in this EC2. Once you will be click you will be get here EC2 dashboard. In this EC2 dashboard page, just scrolling you can be find here is a life cycle manager. So just we are going to click this life cycle manager. Once you will click the life cycle manager, here is the option create life cycle policy. Just click on that. Once you will click create life cycle policy. So before we are going to create, we have to know what is the life cycle policy. Data life cycle manager is enable you to automate the creation, retention, copy and the delete of EBS snapshot and EBS backed AMIs. Actually it's the snapshot will be automated and it will be creation and retention and copy and the delete will be happen for EBS snapshot policy and EBS backed AMI policy, and also cross account copy event policy that will be happen. So first what we are going to do it, we have to policy type we have to choose. I am going to choose in here EBS snapshot policy. Then after here is the resource you want to instance or volumes. Just I am going to choose the volumes, and here is the description I am going to write my first life cycle snapshot. Okay, and then after here is the tags. Okay, I am going to choose in your tags is network interface. You can be choose any other. Okay, anything you can be choose whatever tags you want. Here is the policy tags. For this tags is the tags of these volumes, and here is the tags you want to add. Here I am going to add the tag is L live cycle snapshot, and short form I am going to write LFSNT. Okay, and after that here is I am identity access management role. What is the role of IAM, that you can be specify in here. Here I am going to choose the default. If you want to some specification, choose the another role. You can be click it and you can be create a new role also. Just I am going to make it default role. Okay, then the policy schedules. Here what going to happen, it will be taken automate snapshot and will be returns. Once you will be reach the 5 more snapshot, if you put in the returns, then automatic the last before 5 ones whatever was taken that will be deleted. That's why here is the policy schedules. Here is the policy schedule number 1, and it's for daily basic. What will be happen? Frequency is daily. Every 12 hours you can be customizing to 2 hours, and starting time. Then retention will be count for 4 retention. After the 4 count, it will be automatic delete whatever was already snapshot on there. Then after hits the tagging information. Okay, just I am going to skip it, not going to important. And here also you can be need fast snapshot restore. If you want, you can be checkbox in here, you can be check it. Here is the cross regional copy optional. If you check it, you have to target the regions and the retention copy, and default you can be selecting here. Again, I am not going to select this one. Cross account sharing optional. If you check it, here is the details, the account ID and the account ID. Everything you can be adding here. And after this process, in below you can be add the schedule 2. If you want to additional schedule, you can be adding here schedule 2 and again the schedule 3. Okay, what is the time and retention, everything you can be update in here. Number of option is going on. After that, what you want, the policy status is enable the policy or disable. I just make it enable right now and create the policy. Okay guys, now you can be see your policy. This is the policy ID and the description and the policy type and status is enabled. Here is the details about your policy. You can be see the schedules, sharing and the tags in below. Here is the schedule times, whatever you disable or which one you enable. Again in here is the option also. If you want, here is the modification is there, delete. Okay, so I am going to modification little bit. I want to the status enable. No, I just want to disable. So my status I am going to disable. Just scrolling in below. Here is status. Just I am going to disable and update the policy. Confirm. It's success. Now you can be see the status in here is disabled. So guys, this is a video how you will be create a life cycle manager. Life cycle manager will be manage snapshot. It will be take care of like as a backup. Okay, what the volume or instance is going on, and it should be taken the snapshot every 2 hours, 1 hour, yeah, 1 day. You can be give the particular schedule of the time. Okay, there also retention is there. How many you want to retain or rest of them you want to delete. That's everything you can be added in there. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe me, and if you have any friends who are looking to learn about the lifecycle manager, please share to them. Till then guys, bye bye, see you in next video.